Your Mac Mini might show it's connected to Wi-Fi, but if there's no internet, you can't browse, stream, or work properly. This usually happens due to network errors, incorrect settings, or a DNS problem. Many users get frustrated not knowing the simple fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi network connected but no internet on your Mac Mini. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Change DNS. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on DNS from the right sidebar. Click on the plus icon under the DNS servers option. Now enter 8.8 or 1.1. Then click on the empty place in the server box. Then again click on the plus icon. Now enter 8.8.4.4 or 1.0.1. Then click OK. Solution 2. Renew DHCP lease. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top once again. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on TCP/IP from the sidebar. Here you will get an option called DHCP lease. Click on Renew DHCP lease next to it. Then click Apply. This gives your Mac a new IP address from the router. Solution 3. Firewall settings. Go to the Settings app. Now click on the network. Then click on the firewall. If the firewall is turned on, then click on the options below. Now make sure to toggle off this option called Block All Incoming Connections. Solution 4. Wi-Fi Diagnostics. Press and hold the Option button on the keyboard, then click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top. Next, click on the Open Wireless Diagnostics. Then click Continue. Now it will take some time to analyze. Then again, click Continue, and after that, it will solve your Wi-Fi issues. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.